In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store by navigating through its different sections and options. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer just starting with Shopify, personalizing your store helps create a unique and engaging customer experience. Let's begin by heading over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Shopify dashboard. Look for the section titled Online Store. This is the hub where you can manage all your store's visual elements. Click on this to delve deeper into your store's customization options. Now, let's move on to the Customize button. Clicking on this opens up the theme editor, allowing you to make changes to your store's appearance. This editor is a powerful tool enabling you to personalize various elements of your online store to better reflect your brand's identity. Once inside the theme editor, locate the header section. The header is crucial as it's often the first thing your visitors will notice when they land on your site. Click on Header to begin customizing it. You can adjust settings such as logo and menu options here, which we'll explore in detail next. Let's focus on the logo positioning. Under Header, you'll find the option labeled Logo Position. This setting allows you to change where your logo appears. Proper placement of your logo ensures it captures attention effectively and reinforces brand recognition. For those catering to mobile users, you can similarly adjust the mobile logo position to ensure consistent branding across devices. After settling your logo placement, it's time to tackle the menu settings. Click on Menu within the header section. Here you can define the structure of your store's navigation menu. It's wise to organize your menu logically, helping visitors find what they need quickly and improving their overall shopping experience. Continuing with the theme editor, focus on Menu Type. Selecting the right menu type can affect how your navigation bar looks and functions. You might prefer a simple list menu or opt for a more complex mega menu depending on the level of detail in your store's categories. Now, shift your attention to the color. Selecting appropriate colors is fundamental as it affects readability and the aesthetic appeal of your site. Your color choices should align with your branding strategy, enhancing your store's visual identity. Enter the Utilities section, where you'll configure additional settings that might include social media links or newsletter signups. These utilities add functionality and encourage interaction from your site visitors. Before wrapping up the header section, look into spacing and padding. These settings help you adjust the amount of space between elements, making your site more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Lastly, dive into the theme settings. Here you can adjust elements that influence the overall look and feel of your store across all pages. Remember, the goal is to maintain a cohesive design strategy across every touchpoint. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating a unique and inviting storefront that reflects your business's personality and engages your customers effectively.